Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without losing your mind or your wallet. Today, we've got a vacuum showdown that's going to suck the dust right out of your life. On the left side, we have the Roomba Q7 Max Plus, your trusty dirt destroyer. And on the right, we've got the Narwal Freo, the mop-tastic cleaning machine that's here to revolutionize your floors. Let's dive right in and see which one's worth your hard-earned cash. First up, let's talk about the price tag. The Roomba Q7 Max Plus comes in at $869. Not too shabby, but still enough to make your wallet cry a little. Meanwhile, the Narwal Freo is strutting in with a whopping $1,399 price tag. That's right, folks, Narwal's charging you the price of a small island vacation to clean your floors. Who knew mopping could be so bougie? Now, let's talk about how lazy we can be with these vacuums. The Roomba Q7 Max Plus boasts 7 whole weeks of hands-free cleaning. That's almost 2 months of not having to think about dust bunnies. Reviewers love the convenience it offers. Meanwhile, the Narwal Freo is like, hold my mop water with its Freo Mode. This thing practically has a PhD in cleaning, making optimal decisions and actions like it's auditioning for a spot in Mensa. It's the Einstein of vacuums. Suction power. Because who doesn't want their vacuum to double as a black hole? The Roomba Q7 Max Plus has a beastly 4,200 pascals suction power. It's like having a mini tornado in your living room. Reviewers highlight its strong suction and efficient cleaning. On the other hand, Narwal Freo doesn't flaunt its suction power as much, but it makes up for it with its patented high-speed spinning mop pads. It's like a tiny floor-cleaning ballerina, graceful, yet deadly to dirt. Speaking of mopping, the Roomba Q7 Max Plus vacuums and mops simultaneously with 30 water flow levels. It's like a cleaning Swiss Army knife. But the Narwal Freo? Oh, it's got Dirtsense tech that detects how dirty the mops are and then sanitizes them. It's like having a robot butler with OCD. Plus, smart swing mopping to tackle those annoying corners and baseboards. Reviewers are impressed with its thorough mopping capabilities. It's like a ninja for your floors. When it comes to navigation, the Roomba Q7 Max Plus uses PreciSense LiDAR navigation to create precise maps of your home. It's like Google Maps for your vacuum. You can even view your home in 3D. Reviewers love its accurate mapping. Meanwhile, the Narwal Freo is out here with its corner traps technology, swinging into action to catch all those sneaky dust particles. It's like a Roomba on steroids. Users appreciate its advanced navigation system. Let's not forget those extra features. The Roomba Q7 Max Plus has an all-rubber brush that resists hair tangles, perfect for all you pet parents out there. And it's powered for up to 180 minutes of runtime, which is longer than some people's attention spans. Reviewers appreciate its pet-friendly design. The Narwal Freo, on the other hand, has 3 mop drying modes with dual air tunnels and gentle heat. It's like a spa day for your mop pads. Because even mops deserve some TLC. Users love its innovative and thoughtful design. Reviewers find the Roomba Q7 Max Plus to be a powerful and convenient option with excellent suction and smart features, making it a great choice for pet owners and those looking for a hands-free cleaning experience. On the other hand, the Narwal Freo is praised for its intelligent mopping capabilities and advanced navigation, making it ideal for those who prioritize mopping and smart home integration. Both products have their strengths, and your choice will depend on what features matter most to you. So there you have it, smart shoppers. The The Roomba Q7 Max Plus is your go-to for powerful suction and long-lasting cleaning, while the Narwal Freo brings some next-level mopping and smart features to the table. Both are great, but it really depends on whether you want a cleaning tornado or a floor cleaning genius. Let us know in the comments which one you'd pick, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more hilarious and helpful product comparisons. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart.